Morning all, welcome back to Nick's Allotment. I'm just going to show you a bit of footage I've been took in last week or so. Trying to get my fruit cage ready, like the raspberry supports and the blackberries. I'll show you what else I've been up to in there. Time to start pruning the raspberries. I'll give you a quick look what I'm going to be doing. So these are all the old canes. I've just cut the ties off them. So you can see them by the lighter brown. And these are the new ones, a bit darker and they haven't been tied in. So I need to cut all these out first. I'm not going to show you me doing it because I've done it before. So I'll crack on and cut these out and I'll bring you back when I've cut them out. Okay, that's got all those put in and tied up. I've just got to tidy up both sides, and then the next one's the blackberries. I'm sure this is a Japanese wineberry, but that had run across the floor going out the cage, so I've had to tie that up. A bit more there to tie in. Right, I've got a problem here as well. The posts are starting to go rotten at the bottom. I ain't gonna wiggle it because it'll fall over. That's why all the strainers are loose, so I need to replace the posts. I've got two posts, so I can do this one, but this is the blackberry, look. You can see it's wobbling. So they need doing. That's guaranteed when I get all the fruit on there, it'll all fall over and be on the floor. Morning. Right, this morning I'm going to have a go building this little trough around my raspberries. Okay, finished that. So, not too bad. Right, so I need to clear up all the weeds and rubbish out of here around the outside, and then I'll start wood chipping. This is the allotment cat. Aren't you, eh? Are you the allotment cat? Come on then. Come on then. Come on. Joe's pet, really. Aren't you, eh? There you go. Hopefully it keeps the rats and mice down, but not my little birds. Okay, so put all the new posts in and redone the strainers, as you can see. So I've got them nice and tight now. But the ones with the raspberries on, they got little bits of kinks in them because it's where I pulled the raspberries and I don't want to over tighten it yet. But good thing with these ones, you can just twist them up and they go on a click, so it pulls the wires straight, but just got to watch it because if you over tighten it, that one goes slack. But good bits of kit, and they're not a lot of money really. They're wire tensioners or wire strainers. Right, looks a lot better in here now, as you can see. So I'll put the edges up. I've just got to fill this with muck now. So when I get it, I should just top it off and give it some feed as well. Same with the Japanese wineberry and the blackberry. Looks a lot better. So I am going to get rid of the black currants, but there is a red currant and I forgot which one it is. If I look through my videos I know what it is. But I'm going to just give, for this year, I'm just going to give them a good pruning, I think. And then I'll sort which one I want. Just go finish getting rid of the grass from here. Because hopefully all this mulch will stop the grass weeds growing. It'll save me quite a bit of time. You just get the odd like dandelions will probably poke their way through it. The gooseberries there, they need a pruning. I made this little frame years ago under there. Probably can't see it very well. Just to hold them off the ground when the fruit's on there. But that needs a bit of a trimming. Of course, when I dug the black, I found a self-seeded black currant bush in there, and there's another blackberry here. Yeah, so next job, I probably won't video all this, I'll just see it when I have my update. It'll be take all the baskets off, take that frame down where I had my strawberries on, and I should put it back on the floor. Because when I used to have me 2 long boxes in there, I've got the top what I had off it, weed membrane with holes cut in it. So I'm only just going to put one row down the full length and then fill it with strawberries in there. So that'll probably be one of my next jobs I'll be up to, and then remulch all this. Now I've got plenty of wood chips coming. Yeah, I'll probably need to have a little bit of a pruning on the blueberries as well. And look, it's starting to look a bit tatty. They won't get on with quick because they'll be starting to grow now. As you can see on there, look. Right. Okay, folks, that's it for this one. I'm just going to put a bit of drone footage up after this. So just showing the allotment site. I haven't been too low down to spy on anybody's plot or whatever. So, and I'll show you a bit of my plot. Just more to show the size of the allotment site. Also, the River Avon's flooded, so I'll put you a bit of footage of that on. The bridge is shut off at the moment because it's flooded the other side. I'm quite lucky here because it doesn't flood the allotments. it floods the other way. I have seen it once come up the flood, and it come up just the other side of Joe's plot, so it comes right round across the cemetery. That's got to be 15 years ago that happened, because after that they always got mare's tail on there, so it must have washed up down the river or something happened. Right, so okay, so thanks for watching, commenting and subscribing, and we'll catch you all next time. Ta-ra then.